Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside Seller Central, so log in and open inventory, add a product. Once done, choose whether you match an existing ASIN or create a new listing. Pick the exact category because Amazon enforces category rules. You need UPC or GTIN codes and a clear product title to avoid suppressions, and upload at least one 1000x1000 image for Zoom. Make sure you set the correct seller plan and product condition up front. This prevents listing errors later. Next, fill in the core fields: title, 5 bullet points, and a persuasive description that answers buyer questions. Use keywords naturally for search relevance. Once you enter price and inventory, choose fulfillment, fulfilled by merchant or fulfilled by Amazon. Each affects fees and delivery expectations. If your product has variations, add parent-child SKUs now so customers see size or color choices. Finally, complete backend fields like search terms and product tax code, since these affect visibility and tax calculation. Now review the listing preview and submit. Confirm images, details, and shipping settings. Once live, monitor your inventory health and performance notifications, because suppressed listings or policy flags can hide your product. If you used FBA, ensure inventory is received and buy box eligibility is maintained by competitive pricing and performance metrics. If something goes wrong, read Amazon's error messages carefully, correct the specific fields, and resave. When stuck, open a targeted seller support case with screenshots to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.